Hey, welcome back guys, and today in this video I am going to share the list of best free gardening apps for your Android phone. And if you love gardening, then these apps are very helpful for you. First on our list is Gardenize. Here you can get to know that what to grow in which season. Here you can see people like you. You can plan the things according to the calendar. In My Garden section, you can add your garden's plant and areas. And here you can see and edit your garden profile. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Second on our list is One Weather. This will help you a lot. It will show the most accurate predictions about rain, sunshine, UV, and much more elements. Here you can see the forecast as daily or hourly. You can see the precipitation. In radar portion, you can see the rain intensity layer. And here you can see the length of the day, remaining daylight, and information about moon. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Third one is Planter. Tap here to add garden and select the dimensions. Now you can add plants just by drag and drop. Also, you will get a lot of information about the plant. In calendar, you can add important dates. You can take help of growing guide. In more section, you can see options like disease to prevent the harm of your plant, pets, and beneficial critters. Also, you can manage the settings all according to you. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Hey wait, before moving forward, please like this video because your likes motivate me to create more amazing content just like this. Fourth on our list is PlantNet. In feed section, you will get to know about different new plants. By tapping here, you can identify the plant. Here you can check out the variety of species, genus, and family. In profile section, by sign in, you can create your profile. And in option, you can set the parameter and language. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Last one is Suncalc.org. It helps you in determining the sunshine and its path, because sun play important role in the growth of the plant. Here you can see the things like shadow, sunrise, peak level, sunset, and few more things. Here you can set your location. In settings, you can select the object height, time zone, and map. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future video from my side. Thank you.